That's interesting, isn't it? Why has that got a different dirty mark than the others? A wise man once said, if you want to get stuff done, but you haven't got enough time, you need to sleep faster. So welcome to Motor Mornings. Where's me mug? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It's Wednesday. We're getting ready to go over the hump. Oh, right. Still on Project Dirt Diggler. That is now stuck. So what am I doing this morning? I'm going to take the rocker cover off, have a look at the rockers, basically, and see what they're like. And maybe, just maybe, take the head off. That might reveal something, mightn't it? You never know. Right, so that's what I'm doing this morning. What are you doing this morning? And more importantly, what am I watching on YouTube? I'm watching Team Balio, I don't know how to pronounce it. Team Balio Classics. Awesome chap, new channel, not many subscribers, so go and check him out. We've done an awesome sticker exchange, and I need to add his stickers to my little setup on my wall. So he's got a lovely estate.
Hi and welcome to the channel. Now in this video what I want to do is a little bit of small rewiring to some of the auxiliary switches.
Right, enjoy your day everyone.
You will have seen in a previous video that I fitted a spotlight cover to the rear reversing light spot that I have fitted. So basically what I have is I have it switch down here below the main switch panel. But what I want to do is, as you see, there's no heater in the traveller. And what I want to do is to refit a heater back into the bit of demisting and so on, a little bit of heat. Even though it's not in the summers, but here in we do get cooler days even in the summer. So what I want to do is to remove the switch panel down here where I have fitted actually. Screw it up to where the heater mounts into and move it over to the door bin where I have my garage mightn't be the world's biggest, but yeah, at least it's dry and it's warm. So anyway,
I do like your auto test MG.
What we're doing here. So basically what I need to do is I need to take out the switch panel, and you see there's a little bit of chipping and so on going on there. I wasn't able to get crinkle finish, but I have got black paint, so I'll just do it black as it is.
That's really nice.
So these were initially wired up, so that eventually
I thought that was a cracked follower, but I think it's just sealant for the rocker covered gasket.
these are actually from the doors working today. Okay, so this right with a snug fit. So there we have. That is a little bit bent. So there we have that out. I don't mind drilling a couple of screw holes to mount my panel in, but I am loath to drill a big enough hole in here. So what I have thought about doing instead, I'm going to keep the little mounts here. I'll probably not put any wiring into it, but what I was thinking of doing is I don't actually have a cup holder in this car, and I do like my coffee. So I've been on the internet and I have found cup holder inserts. So this is actually I've already
nice
mentioned this is a perfect size. Okay, so there it is. I've rerouted the wiring from underneath the switch panel here where it was before, under the dash, and actually come up through the back of the dash panel here, and it's all nicely hidden away. So what brings it up now to the switch panel there. So
like the switch extension.
Driving away if you need. In reverse, stick your car in reverse. If it's dark, I can just flick it on and it's at a perfect reach for it as well. So yeah, very happy with it. Don't need any really lights on it. Obviously ups, off, downs on, and we'll know if it's on. This is a type of little switch I was using here, but I just thought that sitting up on the dash would be far too modern. Like up on the dash, down the door pocket, you don't really see it, it's not too bad, but these are way too modern for the 60s look. So I had these switch extensions, and it works Speedwell style switch extensions, and they were a bit loose on the switch itself. So yeah, nice, quite easy fix. A few rolls of insulation tape around that made it thicken that up. That went on nice and neat and tidy, and yeah, it keeps the period look with having a modern switch. And the reason I use these is because they're such very thin there as well, and it fitted in.
Yeah, the old switches were pretty bulky, weren't they?
As well. So
the old Lucas one's massive.
Yeah, very happy with that.
Nice touch. Come on, you know you want to. Oh. That's interesting, isn't it? Why has that got a different dirty mark than the others? The other ones look all nice and even. Grimy, filthy grime. Yeah, look, that's weird, isn't it? Dirty, dirty, dirty. So that one, that's clean on the outside, look. Clean on the outside. It might, I don't know. No, any suggestions why that could be? Same on the head, look. Dirty, 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 dirty. And that part clean. How bizarre. It's a mystery. Oh, it's a mystery. Come on, give up your secrets, Dirk. Sometimes the gasket can always give us some clues, can't they? That's in really good condition. Wow. Well, that's a good sign, isn't it? If the block's in good nick, seriously, that's in really good condition. If I can get away with, I need to see what size they are, don't I? Everyone wants to know what size engine you've got. I've done with the loop that's in there, look. Idiot. It's always made me laugh about people boasting about the size of their engines down the pub, because unless you actually take someone's, unless you have like a dyno test, like a dyno shootout to see who's got the biggest willy, or you actually go motor racing and you know every ounce of performance counts. The size of your engine, basically just to impress your mates, is irrelevant, isn't it? Because you could easily just go, what size engine you got? Yeah, I've got 1380. And it could just be a standard 1275. Nobody's going to call you a bluff, are they? And you go, yeah, but I've decided to keep a standard HIF carb because I like the OEM look. But it's got it where it counts. No, of course I'm not going to race you. I'm not a hooligan. Yeah, you can say whatever you want. Cause it's got light in this. Special crank. Okay, it's a plus 20. So come on, do your sums. What's a 1275 plus 20? The fact the bores look really good, and I can't see any damage to any of the bores, which is a great bonus. Yeah, pleased with that. The valve train. Oh, I've only gone and cleaned the dodgy bloody. Oh, cleaned the wrong piston. I was going to show my engine builder mates, see what they thought. Yeah. And the head looks okay. Obviously I'll strip the head down. I really want to go for hardened valve seats. If this is hardened, I'll be chuffed to bits, but I doubt it. Depends on the age of the head, doesn't it? Right, well there we go. It's I've got 10 minutes before breakfast, and that'll give me time to organise this lot, won't it? Right, see you tomorrow.